WIPO doing a patent application for North Korea for the production of sodium cyanide, which is banned to be brought into the country. And I know before you'd said it wasn't clear to me if the Secretary General had communicated with WIPO about their use of criminal defamation against journalists. But is this something that concerns him? And I also want to ask you about the UN Federal Credit Union openly soliciting deposits from the mission of North Korea as well as the employees of the mission, despite having previously settled sanctions charges for such activity on another sanctioned country. Do you think that this is consistent with this whole idea of tightening up?
I don't speak for the credit union. They're an independent body. I would agree. I would urge you to question them. On the DPRK and the Fox News report, obviously, I think what's contained in the report is disturbing and demands looking into. The panel of experts, the Security Council panel of experts, as you know, is an independent team reporting to the Council, and they have the prerogative to look into all alleged violations of DPRK sanctions and report to the Council accordingly. I think as noted in the article, the panel's coordinator said the panel will look into the issue, and I think the panel will do its work and report back. And if we will obviously look more directly into the issue as well from our end.
Given that there have been previous allegations and reported retaliation at WIPO concerning activities with North Korea, do you think it's something, do you or the Secretary General think it's something that the CEB or some kind of system-wide, does it need to be reiterated to the UN agencies that these sanctions are important?
The absolute need to respect the sanctions regime, both whether it's from member states or within the UN, I think is clear and should be clear to everyone.
The UN itself, the World Intellectual Property Organization of the UN, has been found to be writing patent applications for North Korea for sodium chloride, a chemical that's actually illegal to import into it. And the panel of experts has said they're investigating. Do you think that the UN itself should comply with the sanctions that already exist of the Council?
I will be very frank regarding your question. I have no information on the issue.
WIPO, World International Property Organization, part of the UN, has helped file a patent application for North Korea for sodium. I understand.
Are there any other questions in reference? Yes.
Recently said that obviously you said you should be worried, but they said that while increasing is very dangerous, then we would take action. And so I believe that China will stay true to that, and that we'll come together on how we're going to do that.
What about WIPO, the World International Property Organization, part of the UN, has helped file a patent application for North Korea for sodium. I understand. North Korean sanctions.
Yeah, we're going to put that up. WIPO.